today's free tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this cool cinematic video in Capcut PC, well, completely for free. Let's get right into it. Okay, so the first step is to drag the video clip that you would like to want to create the cinematic video on the timeline. In this case, I have the video that I want to use under the second layer. Now the next part or next step is to right click on your video clip and click split scene. This will basically load and it will make a bunch of cuts for your video clips or clips you have selected or edits like you're currently seeing here. The last step or the next step is under the transition tab. Under all of these transitions, you can choose to add transitions in between every video clip. In this case, I'm going to show you an example of the video clip. Right click, split scene. And as you can see here, all the video clips are cut from each scene onto the next scene. Click on the timeline and use the up or down arrow keys on your keyboard to go to the next video clip. In this case, I want to add this effect called zipper, and click the plus icon right here. And as you can see, it added it right there, but it added it to the video track number 1. From this case, I'm going to delete. I'm going to drag this down for our example. So now click the plus, and as you can see, it added a transition. Using the down arrow, I'm going to use and add another transition. Down arrow key again, another transition. So this is the end result, or should I say this is the before. And this is the after. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found value, drop this video a like, consider comment down below, share the video, and subscribe or follow for more. I'm out. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.